You've seen me do this, I'm sure, DIYers. There is a reason, because when you have a tap like this, water runs behind the cover plate and it sucks in behind the sheet and runs down, and people think they have a leak, but it's actually not. It's the water being sucked in behind the cover plate. So you always silicone around your tap. Plumbers do it also when they put it on over the tile when they put their fittings on, so it's a double whammy. No, it's a must. A lot of people over the years have thought they've had a leaking shower, but it's not. It's water getting sucked in behind the cover plate. Okay, I'm just gonna get all my gear and start putting primer on the walls, and then I can start painting on my waterproof. See you soon.